hop in the wheel. Alright, today we're looking at a Ford Edge wheel. Typically when people see a wheel like this with a bend this bad, they think it's a garbage wheel. And a lot of people bring these in thinking that it's not repairable, but it is. Notice how large a gap that is going over this bend. Now we're bending the lip on the back of the wheel back. You can see it's looking almost completely round already. This is before doing our precision balancing on the next machine. This process simply roughs out the original shape of the wheel, getting out any large bends. Now just spinning the wheel already, you can see that we've taken out the major bend. It's touching the rod all the way around now. And where it was originally bent there, that blackened spot.